Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mini Cooper. Let's start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, establish the car's overall length, which is approximately 3 times its height. Then, sketch a basic rectangular box to define the main body. Next, mark the positions for all 4 wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced to maintain proper proportions. This initial framework is crucial for a well-balanced drawing. Now, let's refine the Mini Cooper's iconic silhouette. Gently round the corners of your initial rectangular box to begin shaping the car's main body. Next, carefully define the distinctive curved roofline and the unique window shapes, paying attention to their proportions. Don't forget to add the prominent, rounded wheel arches and the subtle side skirts, which contribute significantly to its classic look. Moving on, let's add the recognizable features that make a Mini Cooper stand out. At the front, draw the large, circular headlights and the characteristic grille, which is often a prominent design element. Then, sketch the taillights and the specific details of the rear bumper. Finally, include the side mirrors and the distinct door lines to give your drawing more definition and realism. To complete your Mini Cooper drawing, let's focus on the finer details. Carefully outline the windows, add the small door handles, and include the fuel cap on the side. If you wish, incorporate the iconic racing stripes or a contrasting roof color for that classic Mini look. Finally, apply some light shading to give your drawing depth and dimension, making it truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.